Hey, it's Patrick, and today I'm going to show you how to swap out the windscreen on your sport bike or sport touring bike. Now, we are using an R6, but it's going to be basically the same installation across any sport bike or sport tour. There's not going to be many tools involved. The ones we use, we will link in the description below. We do have an aftermarket screen on this. We're going to swap it out for one with just a little bit more wind protection, and we're going from a dark tint to a clear. Let's get started. We're going to take our Phillips screwdriver and go ahead and pull out our 4 screws. So just a few things to note as far as an install. On our model, we're going to loosen up the mirror mounts because we need to slide the windscreen down in there. We want to make sure it gets all the way down there. We'll just tighten those up. Most of these windshields are going to be held on by well nuts. That's just basically a rubber-coated brass insert. When you go to put these on, they start to tighten up and snug up. Just stop. If you really start to gorilla arm those things down, they're just going to spin in there and tear them up. So once they snug up, just stop. Something to keep in mind, when you're putting the screws in, don't put one screw in and tighten it all the way down, then put another screw in and tighten it all the way down. Just get each screw started. You need that windscreen to float in there a little bit to get all the screws lined up, then go back and tighten them all down once you have them all started. Just like that, we're all done. All we need to do is wipe our windscreen off. This should only take you about 5 or 10 minutes in your garage with 1 or 2 hand tools. If you have any questions about anything, go ahead and hit that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's going to take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about this windscreen. Still have questions? Feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.